Glam Fam, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glambykiki. Welcome if you are new. Before we start this video, guys, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Link is in the description box down below. Make sure you are pressing that notification bell so every time I upload you are notified whenever something goes up on my channel. So let's get straight into this video. I'm pretty sure you guys already know by the title of this video what this video is about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and introduce the Mrs. West collection, because that's what we're all here for, to go ahead and see what kind of looks you can create with this collection, as well as is it worth it. It's so Kim, it's very her. It's a photo of her and a flower wall, and then on the bottom of the box it says the Mrs. West collection and gives details of the weight and what products are inside the box. Now for the back, now it has everything you can think of, whether you want to check what exactly are the ingredients in each item, and as well to see the, if I'm not mistaken, is it the pricing? No, it's not the pricing, but it lets you know everything that you need to know about each product right on the back. Once I saw that this collection was coming out, I was like, I got to get my hands on it, because this is my first KKWBEAUTY purchase ever, and she wasn't super expensive and she wasn't super cheap. So it was $100 flat, but plus shipping and handling and taxes and all that stuff, it came out to $118. So if you guys want to purchase things, some of the items that she has on her website separately, you definitely can, but I figured why buy everything separate if she has a collection with everything and I could review it for you guys. But if you guys are not into like reviewing stuff, and you know, you can buy it separately for yourself if you like certain items that I am testing out. But this is how it comes. It comes with the eyeshadow palette, it comes with the lip gloss, it comes with the lip pencil, and it comes with the lipstick, and it comes with the blush as well as the highlighter. Everything comes into this collection is the beauty products that you can use to create that same look that Kim had on for her wedding day exact. So I thought that was really cute, and that was very thoughtful that she would think of something like that, because that's a very intimate moment, and for her to share that with her fans, I would say, and people who admire her and look up to her, especially for beauty stuff, I think that was super cute and very smart. So I'm gonna show you guys how I created this look using her products. Make sure you are continuing and watching if you guys want to go ahead and create this look as well. And everything that I will be using in this video will be linked in the description box down below. So make sure you guys check that out before you leave. If you want to go directly and purchase something from her collection, just make sure you check the links down below so you guys can just click it and get right into that, put it right into that shopping cart, so you can go ahead and spend that coin, okay? Because I sure did. So I'm gonna let you guys know my honest opinion and how everything worked out for me, and I'll give you some little last looks so you can see how it looks in slow-mo and very sexy. So let's get straight into this video, guys. Okay guys, so I brought you guys in a little bit closer since we're gonna start off with our eyes. I did one off camera just to save us some time, but I'll be doing this one, showing you guys step by step what I use from the Mrs. West palette, especially in the eyeshadow palette. I created this whole entire look with her eyeshadow palette. So this is how it looks, just like this. And then when you open it, it's these 6 beautiful colors which have a range of shimmers and mattes. So this is a very soft, romantic, beautiful palette that you can create any daytime look or a nighttime look, which is called Etched in Stone. A nice blending brush, and then just set all in place. Next shade we're gonna go into is going to be this pink shade. Is called Just Married. Beautiful rosy mauvey pink. Blending brush like this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start setting it from the outer corner, like if I'm going across like a wing liner, just like that. And I'm just gonna blend any harsh edges with a clean brush. We're gonna go into May 24th, Fields of Dream. May 24th, the Fields of Dreams. That's where we're gonna go in. Still taking it on a nice fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go pack it on the same way I was packing on that rosy mauve color. Guys, who is excited that this launch just released? Because I sure am. This is my first time having anything from KKWBEAUTY, so I'm kind of like excited to be playing around with these. Then after that, I like to go into Marry Me Please, which is this beautiful shimmery shade right over there. And we're gonna go ahead and half cut crease that. Right here. Just like that. So then after this, I like to go ahead and go in a little bit more with the brown color. Then we're going to go in with a darker color. Field of Dreams. And we're going to go ahead and saturate that as well. So next, now I'm going to go in with my Marc Jacobs brownie liner to go ahead and align my lash line. Now I'm going to take it right on my lash line right over here so I can smoke it out. And then I'm going to take those two colors right here and just go ahead and put them on my lower lash line like this. So it should start looking something just like that. Then we're taking Mrs. West, which is this beautiful champagne kind of gold, to create some brightness on the eyes and highlight our brow bone with it. I love this color. It's very pigmented, so a little goes a long way, guys. So we're just gonna go ahead and hit that right there. Mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Dior Show mascara in black. And the lashes that I'm using today are Dreamer from SHOPTRESCHICCOSMETICS. And you can use my discount code if you're liking these lashes that I'm wearing and get some money off. Use the code GLAMBYKIKI to receive some money off at checkout, and check them out. They're absolutely amazing. They are minks, so, and they're at affordable price. Look, they're so pretty. I love them. Okay guys, so I brought you guys a little bit closer, well, a little farther out, so to say. I am going to go ahead and try on the blush and try on the highlight for you guys now. So let's get into this. This is super freaking cute. The blush is called Flower Wall. Look how freaking cute this is. Blush real quickly. Very sheer, guys, so it's something that's very soft and gentle, that's not gonna give you bam, like I got blush on me, I just got you know slacked up real quick. How pretty this looks. Okay, I see you, Kim K. We out here trying to look like a you, boo. Forever highlight, which is such a beautiful highlight. These packaging though with nails is not a hand-in-hand type of thing. Okay, so this is the highlight, Forever. It is so pretty. It's like that pure champagne gold. It's so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the troops or whatever. This is so beautiful. You guys know that I freaking love highlight, and once it goes on like a dream and you start seeing that beautiful light, like, come on, are you kidding me? Kim, can we speak? Like, sis, you freaking did that. This is such a beautiful highlight, guys. Like, I cannot even, like, let me just finish putting this highlight on. This is so freaking beautiful. Yes. Lip liner is called Love, which I'm gonna go ahead and put on right now. The next shade of lip product is called Love Lipstick, which is super cute. It's this beautiful peachy kind of color. So I don't want to swipe it on. I just want to go ahead and tap it on, because I know that's like a trick that a lot of people do to get that natural yet soft kind of like lip. I'm going to go ahead and put on the gloss called Soulmate, which is super cute. I'm loving the names so far that she has chosen for her collection to name each and every piece. It's so beautiful. And then now I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of gloss. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take my finger. This is the completed look so far, but I'm gonna come back way better. My hair not looking a mess. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. This is the eyeshadow, this is the blush and the highlight, and this is the lip trio. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some slow-mos for you guys so you can get into this look. Even though I'm not getting married, but for whoever out there is getting married this year, if you want to take some inspiration on this look, and if you're liking this type of look, I created this all with Kim K's Mrs.West Collection. So if you're wanting to grab this collection and create the same look, links will be in the description box down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for hanging out with me all the time, and thank you for being my true supporters. I love you guys with all my heart, and I see you guys in my next video. Bye.